Hello everyone, welcome to another Guest Internet video. We're introducing a new series of products for smaller and larger hospitality businesses. Motels, hotels, resorts, even smaller businesses, bed and breakfast, any type of hospitality business that needs to provide the Wi-Fi for guests can be covered by one of our guest kits. Now, the important thing about these kits is they come pre-configured, very easy to install, and they're very economical. They cost less than buying all the separate components and putting them together. So if you have a need to provide Wi-Fi for guests, or if you need to upgrade an existing Wi-Fi system because guests complain it's slow or they can't connect, then please take a look at one of our guest kits. We have the information on our website. You can download the datasheet from the website, and that will explain exactly what comes with the kit and how they're installed. This is the GUEST-3 kit. Now, the GUEST-3 kit is the largest kit that we make. It comes with the GIS-R4 controller, which is a controller that can connect hundreds of people. It comes with a 16-port power over Ethernet switch, and it comes with 16 AP200 wireless access points. And these are very versatile and very powerful wireless access points that are ceiling mounted, and so you can mount them along the corridor. So 16 of these, the 16-port PoE Switch and the GIS-R4 controller. This is a great configuration for a hotel that's maybe 50 to 75 rooms, or even a little bit bigger. It really depends on the internal construction of the business. There are a lot of features that the Guest Internet Controller provides. It provides the customized login page. You can provide codes. You can control access by providing people with codes, for example. But there's also a lot of other features. Using the free cloud service, you can monitor for failure. You can have remote management of the system, and so if you want the business that installed these for you can also manage remotely using the Guest Internet Cloud. If you want more information about this and find out more about the great features and the fantastic price that we're offering, please contact us. We'll be very happy to not only share the technical information like data sheets, but also answer the questions you have about the system, and you're able to find out if it's going to be what you need to improve the guest Wi-Fi system in your hospitality business. Okay, look forward to speaking with you. Thank you very much for watching.